Hi, this is Luke for Production Expert, and this is getting replacement drum samples to match existing ambience using Chameleon2 from Accentize. I'm going to go from a snare drum that I want to replace that sounds like this, to a fuller, deeper sound from a replacement sample, complete with matched ambience in the overheads, courtesy of Chameleon2, and that sounds like this. So back to my old snare, and if we listen to the overheads in isolation, we can hear that it sounds like this. So I've generated some MIDI off my original snare drum mic, and I'm using that to trigger a drum virtual instrument with my new snare drum. I've been through a few, and this one is doing the business for me. It's much deeper and much fuller sounding. The only problem with this is that it is bone dry and it doesn't exist in the same space as the old snare in the overhead mics. So the first thing I need to do is instantiate Chameleon across my overheads so that it can learn the ambience profile. So I can create a new one very easily. So it's listening to anything upstream of itself, and all I have to do is play the audio into it for it to learn a new profile. Okay, so that is now ready to use. And if I just very quickly hit apply, I can simply use this instance on my replacement snare track, like so. So let's have a listen to that in isolation. If I go back across and listen to my overheads with no processing across them with the old snare drum in there, we can hear that that reverb is very similar in terms of character. So same length, density, and just about the right amount of top and bottom to it as well. And all of that stuff is down here for customization if I need to. The thing that's really impressive is the amount of dry-wet signal. It's done a good job of estimating that straight away. Right, so let's mute the old snare and listen to that in context. So sounding good, but to round off the effect, I'm also going to use a dynamic EQ to scoop the old snare out of the overheads a little bit every time the new snare hits. And I've set up a sidechain send from my replacement snare, and that is triggering the dynamic EQ band across the overheads, so it's only acting whenever the new snare hits, and that sounds like this. But without that, we have a lot more of the old snare in there. And I can have a play with that to refine it a little bit more so that it sounds great in context. But without those treatments, the new snare drum could sound rather stuck on. But as soon as I bring Chameleon2 in across my replacement snare drum with a little bit of help from my dynamic EQ across the overheads, we get a much better effect. So that is getting replacement drum samples to match existing ambience using Chameleon2 from Accentize. Head over to the Production Experts blog to find out more and to read our full article.